If you receive a damaged parcel, the first step is to go to the website of the company from which you ordered the item. To do this, type the company's name into your web browser's search bar and click Enter. From there, select your country and proceed to the website. If your parcel is damaged, you can find guidance on what to do in the company's FAQ section. It is stated that if you receive a damaged or defective item, you should click the Submit a Claim button and fill out the form with the requested information. This will allow the company to solve the issue as soon as possible, and they will get back to you with the next steps via email. The Submit a Claim button should only be used to report damage or defective items. And for all other topics, you can contact the company using other available channels. To submit a claim, you will need to log into your account and follow the prompts. Once you have submitted the claim, the company will look into the issue. If you need to, you can also reorder the item. Following these steps should help resolve the issue with your damaged parcel.